The chicks are now 5 months old. They've begun their own journey to the sea in search of a meal. They're following the oldest and most confident of the group. An internal compass takes their brave leader north. But they've run into trouble. The only world the leader's ever known is crumbling beneath her. With the ice melting rapidly, they're all at risk. The leader does something no emperor chick should ever have to do. Leave their friend behind. The others make it onto stable ice. The little chick isn't finished yet. His friends are in sight. Together again. Most of the chicks have reached the sea. They've lost enough baby feathers, and they're ready for their first swim.